Cool, we're live.
You set that
Yeah, it's focused on
set
me.
to
And just double check. Yeah, it's focused on me. Okay,
Mhm.
I've got the homework. All right, so let's see. For part one, we need to enhance rotten potatoes in the following way. On the list of all movies, on the list of all movies page, the column heading for movie title and release date for a movie should be clickable links. Clicking on one of them should cause the list to be reloaded, but sorted in descending order on that column. For
Okay.
example, clicking the release date column should just be displayed a list of movies with the earliest releases. Okay, so just basically put sorting on the table. Okay, cool. So let's see. The link that is the link that is the A tag for sorting by title should have the HTML elements ID title header. Sorting by release date should have the HTML element release date header, and then the table consisting of should have the HTML element ID movies. Okay, cool.
Okay.
When the listing page is redisplayed as sorting on a column enabled, the column header that was selected for sorting should appear with a yellow background as shown below. You should do this by setting the controller variables that are used to conditionally set the CSS. Okay, we'll get through all of that. First, I think what we should do is let's just go through some house rules here for teammates for this teamwork session.
Okay.
Let's keep the server going on screen 0. Okay.
Screen 0.
You cool with that?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna actually open up 9, 10 rather. Cool. So let's go into screen 8. Let's make logs. Okay. So the way this works is, I mean, like if you look on the right-hand side of the keyboard, screen 0 is server, screen 9 is
logs.
Yeah, and then what we'll do is we'll make screen 1 models, screen 2 controllers, and screen 3 views. How's that sound?
Okay, cool.
Models, views, model controllers, and views. Okay.
Yep.
So let's just open up a model. We'll open up models movies. I'm on screen 2 and controller moves. Okay, and then we'll open up here app views, movies. I suppose it's the movie show link or movie index. It's movie index, I think.
Yeah. You can go control a comma to rename the tab if you want to.
Control a comma.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Hey, nice. I've actually got a Tmux
script
that starts up a Tmux session. Yeah. Let me just do this. Control H server, and then we'll make that. Okay. How's that?
Cool.
All right. Just so it makes it a bit easier for everyone. Okay. Let's just take a look at the server. It's running on 127.0.0.1 port 3000. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's slash movies. Alright, there it is. Cool. Okay, so if we look at this now, like clicking on, this is just a standard table header. It actually doesn't do anything. Okay.
Hold on. I think you're lagging behind a bit. Say something.
Hello.
Okay, cool. Click on release date, like now.
There.
Just the title on
Did
release date.
Yeah, I did
it. Okay. So there's about like a 5-second delay, I think.
Okay. Let me just do this.
Just to your screen.
Okay, just hang on. I'm killing my torrents. Maybe that'll grab a little bit of bandwidth. Okay, I'm gonna double click on rating now. How's that?
Yeah, no, it's still the same. It's about still, but your voice is like in time. It's just your screen share is like 5 seconds behind.
Oh shit, sorry man. Let me see if there's a way I can tunnel show off Rails local host remote. I think there's a thing called show off. Yeah, it's called local tunnel. That's right.
What is
Show off.
Nelson was telling me how they were doing it.
Jim
He was
install
using
local tunnel.
he was using Mad-Eye, and then you can go like reverse tunnel, and then the other person is able to view that local host.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, but from within Meta, does it have a reverse tunnel?
Yeah, it has like when you start up Meta, it has like a dash reverse tunnel setting, and then if you do that, like both people can show off that can view that browser window or that
Okay,
that
well,
Rails
I'm
server.
almost done here with local tunnel. Jim install local tunnel. Hang on, dude. Ruby Jim install. Okay. It looks like Jim install local tunnel is dead. So if I do this, Jim install that one instead. Yeah, you see the thing is like we've already got a Google Hangout going. I don't know, like can we do the whole Meta thing with live
Sure.
Google?
It has the plugin there. I don't know if it'll like work with the current session we have open. Like we can still use Teammate. We can just use that for the browser
Uh-huh.
if it works.
Hang on one second. This is not very interesting for all the people that have to watch this.
Isn't it private?
No, I'm saying we have to upload this to the
Oh yeah.
thing, and then like I suppose the human has to watch this. So I feel really bad for them. Um, okay. God, this is taking forever. Okay, let that go through. I think let's in the meantime just whilst that's running in the background.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we've got over here is we need to. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's first. Okay, so we made it. We need to make the movie links clickable, movie title, movie rating, and release date. Movie title,
Movie title and release date.
Yeah. Okay, so let's say.
Movie title. So where?
So I'm going to open up my link to. I'm just opening up some documentation. I want to get some.
Wouldn't it be the
Profiles, action, show. Profiles, controller. Yeah, so I'm just looking for some. Okay, I think I've got it.
Also, is the first thing you want to do just make those links clickable, and then once we have them clickable, then we'll work on sorting them. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, so we can say link to movie title. Wait, we need to do this. Can you see screen 3?
Yes.
Okay, so you're familiar with Hamel by now, right?
Yeah, mostly like.
Okay, it's It's like very simple HTML that doesn't have
Yeah.
closing tags and it's white space sensitive. Okay, so like let's link to movie title, and then what we'll do is this is movies path, I think, like that.
Movies path, yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna just restart the server. I don't think I need to restart the server if I change a view.
Don't
Okay.
think you do.
Cool. So that links back to the same page. All right, let's just go back here.
It should, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's say.
Did it link back to the same page? I didn't
Yeah, it
catch that
does.
on your browser. Okay. Release date should be as it is.
No, we also have to have a link to.
No, I think they only wanted it. They only wanted to sort by. I mean, rating needs to be how it was. They only want movie title and release date.
Hang on.
It's only
Okay.
title and release date. The rating should be just a
No, you're
normal
right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Okay. Okay, so there we've got release dates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, what I want to do is we need to put in. We need to give them some IDs. Okay, so let's see.
So we need to specify those IDs that they mentioned with that A tag, correct?
Yeah, so I think we can just plot that on the end of the thing. So we can say ID. And what was the ID for the movie one?
Title _ header.
Title _ header. And the other one was ID of?
Was release _date _ header.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's.
Is that automatically an A tag?
Yeah, it's an A tag. It's okay, and yeah, so I put in the ID release date header, and it's there. Okay. Can you see?
Yeah.
All right, so that works. Okay.
Just tell me when you're popping into your browser so that I can also go see there.
Okay. All right. So do you want to see it now? Do you want me to pop over so you can see?
It should be the same as how it was, right?
Yeah. Okay. There's nothing changed. Okay, but now we need to figure out how do we put some arguments into this movies path, because I actually want I want to change the argument. See, I don't want to just go to movies path. I actually want to go to movies path / sort by. I'm looking into my documentation here to see if there was link to profile, control, profile, action show.
You can just specify which action you want to do. So you make a new.
Movies path already goes to the right action. We need to actually send parameters to that action.
So you want to go like to the actual, like the index. So it's going to be the index action. If you send in certain parameters, it's going to do a sort by whichever parameter you send.
Okay, I think I know how to do this. Let's see. Controller car, action car. Okay, I think we just need to. Okay, let's just try something here.
Call ID.
Okay, let's execute URLs. Okay, cool. I think what we can just do is I'm going to try something here.
Okay.
I'm going to say foo is bar. and let's just see if that breaks completely.
You don't have to restart the server then, right?
No. Let me just kill these dev tools and do like a hard refresh. I'm on my browser, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, that doesn't do a thing. Inspect element. Oh, you know, it puts like a foo equals bar
In
inside the thing. Okay, so what we can do is this. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. Okay, so what we're going to have to do, it's fine. What we're going to have to do is this. I wonder. Yeah.
So I'm go back and can I see how that controller is set up?
Yeah, but I've got the answer here. Hey? So we're going to say. Oh, sorry. Can you see me on the thing?
Terminal, yeah.
Yeah, so we just say controller is movies. Or was it movie?
Should
It's
be
movies. The action is it's show, right? Well, no, it's index.
index.
And then we're going to put in another one. So sort by, and then movies, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
And then in your index, you'll just you'll just search for whatever the sort by is.
Okay, let's just see if that continues to work. I'm on my browser. No, shit. It's putting the ID as part of the. However, I know why I need to disambiguate this hash.
Dude, I'm gonna try to just disconnect from that Hangout and come back. That looks like it's getting delayed, like even more.
All right. Okay, cool.
I'll be back in a minute.
All right. Made you back.
Yep, I'm back.
Okay, I'm still sharing my screen.
Are you scrolling in your documentation right now?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to switch back to Tmax now. How's the lag?
Still like it's like 10-second lag there.
Damn, dude.
It's only the video that seems like I can. If I look at my terminal, I can see it moving faster than the video share.
Yeah.
It's fine. We'll just work with it for now.
Where did I put that? There we go. Jesus, gem install hsoon local tunnel's not working. Let's just go back to. I've got a Hangout. Shit, I lost my Chrome window. Okay, yeah. Let me start up a. There's a meta thing here. Let me click on that. Okay. And now what? I've just got a white screen for meta. Oh, okay, hang on. It wants me to enter the meta URL below. Let me start up meta.
Just check. There's some parameter for meta that you have to do to start it up with the tunnel.
Cool. Create a tunnel from a public meta server to this local port. All right, cool. Meta. Let's find this tunnel. 3000. Okay. I think I can actually. It's going to give you like a URL that I can just paste that URL into. Okay. I put it in. Why are you not letting me? Oh, God damn it. Hang on. I've got the tunnel URL, by the way. I'm going to Skype it to you now.
Okay.
Okay.
So I can just go to that in my browser and it should.
Yeah.
Right?
Just focus back on my screen. Screen share. Desktop. Start. Okay. Can you still see?
Hold on. Looks like I'm able to join that. Okay, sweet. Looks like I can connect to it now, Gabriel. So I'm seeing
Cool.
that syntax error thing.
All right, great.
Okay, cool.
So what we need to do here is we need to figure out how to link to this thing and sort by. So how do we link to movies path with extra
Parameters.
Yeah, okay. Do you mind if I'm going to go hop over to controller 8, sorry, screen 8 and say Rails C.
Mm-hmm.
I think if I type in movies path over here,
But you just want to see the path, so what?
yeah, I wonder, how do you execute a path? I think it's Rails dot routes. I've done this. I've had to do this before, where I wanted to.
Oh, you just want to see what like that. Why don't you just go Rails?
Sorry, what did I just say?
Rails root. If you just want, you just see the different paths, or do you want to?
Rails, what in the console?
Not Rails root. Rake roots. I mean.
Rake roots. Oh, sorry, it's app. No, because I want to see what it. I want to actually see what it. Oops. Okay, so if we say show who, that's how we do it. Are you on the console?
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
I just took a guess and I was like, maybe we can pass it a symbol with a string, and
sure,
that's what you do.
Okay, cool.
Cool. All right, there's no documentation about that. Oh, I was looking at the documentation for link 2, and I should have been looking to the documentation for.
So that means, but isn't that always correct then?
What do you mean?
Wasn't that what we had? Oh, you just put it in. Yeah. You have to wrap it all up.
You have to say sort by movie.
Okay.
No, sort by title. Sorry.
Does it need to be whatever that?
No, it can be whatever. It's our parameter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna just go hop over back to the. Undefined variable what? Oh, so I was meant to make that. Awesome. I think if you check it out, you'll see that just a refresh. It looks like it's working.
Okay, nice.
Right.
Okay, sweet.
And then what we can do over here for this one is sort by release date.
So if you go into that, where would we find that actual that A? Okay, I see that A tag now. Okay, cool.
Which A tag?
For the title header.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Cool. Okay.
Just gonna do the same thing for release date.
Yeah.
Okay, you got that as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to go into, let's see.
We need to go into our controller,
Yeah.
and if
Okay,
if if that if that sort by is defined, then we need to sort by that.
yeah, let's.
Just jump into a what's the sort by? Is it movie dot all dot sort by, or
Well, I think it's order by. You want to
just jump into the terminal and check? I mean, into the console and check.
consoles on 8.
So if you go movie.all, right?
Yeah.
That should just give us everything.
Yeah.
If you go movie.all dot, it won't be sort by, it'll be order by, right?
Yeah. Type in a few more characters. ORD. Tab.
Order
Uh,
or
I can check in the documentation. So you do that in the meantime while I put up some docs. Okay. Guides and JX.
sort by.
Ordering. Okay. It's okay. Just order, and then you give it a column. Not sorter. Sorted is something. Sort will be on enumerable, I think. Or maybe it's just an alias.
Oops. Okay, cool. Let me just.
Okay, we'll just try that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
Okay,
said what's it? Order and then just whatever you want to order by.
Yeah.
Can I use a string or can I use a symbol there?
Undefined method order.
Oh, maybe
No, sorry.
maybe.
Take out the all. Take out the all.
Oh, is it just okay? Does that look ordered by title?
Yeah, 2001's first.
Hold on, let me just see if this works in
And when
your
Harry
terminal.
met
Give me a
Sally.
second.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't work.
What?
If you go Y before your thing, it normally prints it all out in yellow for you.
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, let's go back to the controller.
Okay, cool. 2. Okay. So we in here in our index controller. So we need to take a sort by parameter in, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then
No. Sorry, you don't. Not like that. We're not setting a parameter to the method. There's the params hash.
Okay. So take that out. So under, if you do it like at movies is equal to movie dot order params sort by.
That should be sufficient.
And then just take that out.
Okay.
That should work, right?
Yeah.
Do we need to? I don't think we need to restart. No.
I don't know. Let's try. Yeah, it looks like it works.
Nice.
Cool, that works perfectly. Okay, the next thing we need to do is just set the header. I want
And
to
it
just
should
try.
work. It should work for the release date as well, right?
Yeah, it does. Okay, and then the other thing I've done is I've just, if you do it without, it just kind of works anyway. We'll just do standard select. Hang on.
If you do what do you say?
Okay, so I've just put a bit of space with my logs.
Mm.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the command with no arguments. So just like the standard /movies. Okay.
Okay.
And when you do it like that, it just says select everything from movies, select star from movies. But if you, even though you're calling order,
Oh, okay, I see.
yeah, order with nothing, just say select star, and then if you actually put something in the order by title, it will then order it anyway.
Okay, I see.
Okay, so it's actually quite an elegant solution. I like that.
Nice.
Okay, the next thing we need to do here is they want us to set a CSS variable on the. So they want us to set a highlight.
Just highlight.
Yeah.
So do we just basically pop what they said into our that application at CSS?
Okay, so for movies whose names begin with non-letters, the sort order should match the behavior of string. Okay, well, we'll hope that is, and then we'll see what happens with the grading. Okay, so the table containing the list of movies should have the HTML element ID movies. Let's just go back and take a look if that is the case. Cool, that is the case. Table.
Where are you reading?
Look at my screen. I'm looking at that.
Oh.
Yeah. The link for sorting by release date should have the HTML element ID release date header, which is what we've done. Cool. The table contains movies should have the ID element. Okay. When the listing page is displayed with sorting on a column enabled, the column header that was selected for sorting should appear with the yellow background as shown below. You should do this by setting controller variables that are used to conditionally set the CSS class of the appropriate table heading to highlight. Okay. And pass this simple CSS into rotten potatoes. Okay, so let's quickly edit that. Let's add the CSS.
Where would you add it though?
Add the CSS?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm still in screen 3. It should be in app applications, style sheets. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to be adding highlight. It's not here. Okay, cool.
Do you have to take that CSS out? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So there's the CSS. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to set some CSS over here.
How do you? Yeah, sorry, like the stuff I don't really know too well. So.
No, we just need to give it a little header. Okay. So this is what we should do.
In your view or in your controller?
So we're going to need to set a variable in the controller.
Okay.
Okay. And then what we should do is,
explain to me what you are thinking of doing.
Okay, so you see here's the CSS, right? Here's the HTML in the YAML file. Can you see the console? Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to give it a class of highlight like that. See that? See dot highlight? Okay, that gives it a class of highlight. If you go over here, you'll see now, if you go to the website, you'll see that the movie title one is always highlighted, regardless of what you said. Or what
okay. So we need to when we sort. So when we sort by that thing, then we need to add in that variable highlight into our CSS. That's what we need to do. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I don't. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just say we'll put a variable here, highlight equals params. Oops. Sort by. Okay, I don't like doing this, but you know, what are you going to do?
And then we'll just always just have it in there.
Yeah, let me just pull up the Hamel documentation.
Okay.
I want to see if we can actually programmatically switch on, if we can switch on styles programmatically.
If it has like, so you just, if it detects that some parameter is set, then
Yeah,
switch on the style.
yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Okay, so we've got filters. No, we want methods.
Attribute methods.
Page class. Where do you see attribute methods?
On the right hand side of where you were.
Okay, instance methods. Where? Up, down?
No, go to the previous page you were on.
There.
Oh, maybe, yeah, like look here on the right hand side of this now.
Yeah,
There's
attribute methods.
attribute
Cool.
methods there.
Okay, attribute method that returns a hash that can be substituted. Okay, cool. This might be it. Okay, so we say def HTML attributes. Okay, let's try this out. Where do we put this method though?
HTML attribute.
So we need to put this method somewhere. It doesn't say where.
A method call that returns a hash can be substituted for hash contents. For example, hello helpers.
Yeah, so we can say yeah, and then it will just put in like attributes. So we can say like class equals this and But yeah, this is exactly what we want. So nice, fine. But where the hell do you define these methods?
Would it be like in like your view helper maybe?
Yeah. So let's just go there. I'm going to make helpers on screen 4. Okay.
Okay.
Helpers. Okay. App helpers. I suppose in the application helper. Okay, so we're going to call this.
Do they have something in that movie's helper already, or is it just skeleton files?
Oddness. So it's got an oddness thing.
Okay.
Do you want to put it there?
That's what we're working with, movies, so
Yeah, so let's do that.
I suppose. You can always move it back out if you don't think it should be there.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to be sending in the highlight.
That's really the sort by thing they would be sending in, right?
Yeah, okay, sort by. Do you want to call it highlight or sort by?
Anything doesn't really matter.
Call it highlight. Call it that for now. Okay, and then this is going to be class of highlight. And then what we'll do as well over here is we can say, whoops, we can say, highlight equals none.
Okay. That will just be our default value then, like when we don't have any sorting in place.
Yeah. Okay. Don't we have to define like the helper now or something? Okay, well, let's just see.
Not sure.
Okay, so how did we do it again? So how's it called? It's called.
Back to you.
So we say. Just going to go back here to attribute methods. Okay, and then we say HT. Okay, we just call it like that.
HTML attributes.
So we can say we called it highlight, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, what we'll do is we'll pass it highlight.
Mm-hmm. Is it? Do you need to put like a dot in front of those places after the th or not?
No, because those are a dot where?
Like before those braces that you have there. So like after the th, is it dot and then the highlight? You know what I'm saying?
No,
Like
I think it's...
initially you just had it just highlight.
Yeah, no, the dot means it's a CSS class. Like for instance, if you look up here, the hash means it's a CSS ID.
Okay.
Okay. Let's refresh and see what happens. Shit, that didn't work. Okay, let's inspect this. Okay, doesn't give it a class. Or rather, doesn't give it a class title. Just wait. Class title. Oh, wait. It is, it's giving it a class of title. But it's not meant to give it a class of title, it's meant to give it a class of highlight. Shit.
Class. So where is it getting title from?
Yeah, because we're sorting by title. So it is working, we're just setting the wrong thing, and it's setting it for everybody.
So are we passing it the wrong thing then?
Yeah, can you see my screen? I'll show you what I mean.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, yeah. Show me.
Okay, so if you look downstairs, if you look at the bottom half in that inspect bar,
yeah,
you can see we actually are setting the CSS class correctly. We're saying class equals title.
Okay, yeah. We got th that, yeah.
Yeah, but we're doing it for both movie title and release date. Okay. So we're not meant to do that. So what we should be doing is we need like some kind of conditional here.
It should set it equal to highlight, like the word highlight.
Yeah. So what we need to do is we need to pass in
highlight none.
We need to pass in the we need to pass in the current field, so like the current thing that it's on. So it would be, the first one would be a header, and then the other one would be sort by. Okay, so then it's like this. Can you see me on the helper screen 4?
Yeah.
So we say if header equals, no, we do this. If header equals sort by, then classes, not the variable highlight, but the string highlight. Okay, now we need to change the way we call it. So let's go over here. So what this is we're going to call by header and then sort by. So the header is title. And then over here, this header is release date.
Okay.
You follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's refresh, see what happens. Oh, undefined method map for null class. That broke. What did I do wrong?
For null class, which it's on line 9.
Do you mind if I quickly just add binding of callers so we can get a bit of a ripple going on here into the gem file?
Okay.
The gem file's on screen 5.
Undefined method map for null class.
Okay. Binding of caller.
Best parameters.
Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, it's just installing that other gem.
Okay, cool.
And then what happens is when it dies, you actually get a REPL, and you can run commands within there. I suppose it's not that secure, seeing as I'm broadcasting this tunnel across the internet. It's got that link is now going to shut into my machine. But hey, what you gonna do? Please hurry up. Okay, in the meantime. Okay, so we've got highlight, release date, highlight. Okay.
Did it break
It should not break.
Did it break on the release date one only?
No, I clicked on release date.
Oh, okay.
Unless, let's just go back. I'm gonna just refresh. Yeah, it's breaking on whatever we do now. Jesus, Jim, this Cloud Africa thing is actually becoming a bit of a problem. It used to be such an amazing gem server. It's taking forever now.
It's because too many people use it now.
Yeah. Okay, if I click on movie title, it breaks on release date. If I click on release date, then it breaks on movie title. Okay. It could be...
It's trying to set the same thing for both.
Let me just say sort by equals, by default, none. Okay. Do a refresh. Oops. Wow, now it's breaking outright.
Does your page even, yeah, mine's not even loading at all.
Jeez, come on, Cloud Africa. Undefined map for null class. Okay, let's go back. Just take that out. Okay, so it says the header and then the sort by. So highlight, we set highlight to be equal param sort by. Oh, you know what's happening here?
What's that?
I'm just going to say sort by or none in the controller. Take a look at the controller.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
when it's nothing, and then
that didn't help. Let me just kill the server and start over. I killed my server. Can you still get to it? And I restarted it.
Yeah, I can. I'm still getting that same null class error.
Okay, let me just see what's happening here.
Are you also getting the same thing?
Yeah, binding of call is there. Let me just kill this again and start it up again. I think if we refresh it now, alright, cool, so we're there. Let's take a look at, can you see the console?
Yeah.
Okay, if I type in highlight is undefined. But
just type in like something else, like movies or like title or something, like some random thing. Why is it?
Okay, highlight is set to none. Okay. I want to just try highlight. And I'm going to say title. And I'm going to say highlight. Can you see what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
Okay, it returns back null. Okay, so maybe that's the problem. So we need to just say. Okay.
Didn't you type? I think you typed it in the opposite way, no? In your.
What do you mean?
In that. Shouldn't it be highlight and then title?
No, that's the right way. The first part is the header that you're sorting on, and then the sort by option. So let's just do this. I'm going to just put an else here. class. Just going to put like a blank class. Okay. Let's refresh, and there we go. That's working. Can you see?
Okay, cool, nice.
Nice.
So I wonder why it doesn't like use like the default value that we like put in.
No, it wasn't that. It wasn't that default value. So if you hop back over to the helper screen on screen 4, I'll explain what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay, so check this out, right? We were sending back some HAML here. If you can see on line number 9, we were sending back a class of highlights.
Yeah.
Okay, but we weren't sending anything else back. We were returning null.
Oh, if it wasn't, if it didn't matter.
Because we were returning null, this thing was trying to map back a return value of attributes, and it couldn't map over those attributes because those attributes were null doesn't have an attribute. So that was a weird one. Fucking null, I hate null. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Let's quickly refactor this. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Let's say class equals not class. That's a reserved word. CSS class equals header equals sort by. Then it will be a class of highlight or nothing.
Nothing.
And then it's okay. Release date, movie title. Cool, that still works. Let's just okay. When you do a fresh reset, a fresh load, nothing is highlighted and everything continues to work.
Nice.
Okay, I think we're done on that. Let me just commit this. Okay. Okay.
Cool. Nice.
So I haven't committed everything. Okay, style sheets. So let's say and sorting and okay, I think we're done for the first part.
I'm just reading this hints and stuff what they put in here to see if we missed anything.
Okay, we're done. Alright, so I'm going to end the screencast so that we've got the link for it. I've actually gone through all of this. What we have to do is submit 3 screencasts, and then at the final part we put the URL in for it to test. We don't actually upload code this time. We point it to a Heroku URL.
Okay.
So I'm going to kill the screencast. Okay, 1 second.
Cool.